All right, so I did kind of introduce compound uh, interest to you already. So let's take a look at some examples and just see where this takes us, because compound interest is a very powerful thing to be able to know about and what to do with it, right? Because it's used by many companies in many areas of our lives. So let's take a look at an example of interest compounding. Let's use the example we had before, which was we had $400. Let's say you're taking out a loan for $400. Well, let's make it 4,000. All right, $4,000 loan, and it's going to, so that's the principal, and the rate is going to be 18%, and the time is going to be 10 years. Now, this is assuming that you don't pay anything over this time, so we're not reducing the principal each year or anything. This is saying, okay, here's how much at the end of the 10 years you will owe. All right. So remember, our formula is A equals P times the quantity 1 plus R times T. Okay. So if I'm looking at this, then what I really want to do then is just plug in this information, and you got to make sure that you have that calculator ready, right? So I'm going to plug in my info. I got $4,000 times 1 plus, now it's not 18, it's 0.18, right? We got to change that 18 to a decimal. And then 10 years. So we're going to the 10th power. And what this is going to tell us then is at the end of 10 years, how much is going to be owed. All right. Not how much the interest is, but how much is owed total if the interest is compounded each year and added back in. So let's do this problem. 1.18. Now here's the deal here on this calculator. I don't think I have a way to do x to a power. So, you're just going to have to bite the bullet and do this 10 times. 1, that's 2, that's 3, that's 4, that's 5, that's 6. Excuse me. Okay. And I think I miscounted, so I missed my count. So let's try it again. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, 8 times, 9 times, 10 times. Okay, so that's what I get. And now I'm just going to multiply that by 4,000. So at 18% interest, my account balance, if I don't pay any of it until the very end, is $20,935.34. Amazing, isn't it? Simply amazing. So that's just one short example on doing this compounding interest problem.